side. I don't even need to see around.
Good morning, everyone. So we are packing right now. We're packing the hotel right now, and then we are finally gonna go to our house. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys along with me. It's currently 7 a.m. right now, and let's go ahead and get started.
Ourselves, not by ourselves. It's been 10 years and still not there. We'll end the chase, we've won the race. We'll have our kids that we will raise, and y'all will be here with me, with a man, with a man, with a man, with a man.
They had something here.
What?
They had something in the front.
What was in the front?
I don't know if they took it out.
Logging, 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 logging. Log, log, log. Smells like cinnamon in here. Or graham crackers. I smell graham crackers. That's why this office is
You have to Venmo wide it. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Alright. Then.
I'm guessing hard too.
Man.
I really don't want to work out.
Time to go to sleep.
You really can't skip it? I might just do 2 a day tomorrow. Work out in the morning.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got a kitty cat sleeping on my left side. I don't even need to see you tonight. Had me for a minute, expectations high. But a fuck nigga can't keep up his disguise. Why you tryna talk? Can't you see I'm tired? I don't need to hear you fucking testify. Always stay up late, argue through the night. Always think I'm wrong, always think you're right. But you can't tell me shit, that's just what it is. I pay my own bills, and I'm fucking lit. I am not impressed, you make too much mess. Yeah, on to the next, guess it's for the best. Yeah, guess it's for the best. On to the next, guess it's for the best. Yeah, guess it's for the best. On to the next, guess it's for the best. Pack up your bags and tie your shoes. Go get to stepping, cause I'm sick of you. Said that you need me, it ain't nothing new. Now I see how far you run from the truth. You've been creeping while I'm sleeping. And I know that your new girl wants smoke. This farmer better get his hoe. You don't want me wrong, your zip code. You can't tell me shit, that's just what it is. I pay my own bills, and I'm fucking lit, babe. I am not impressed, ain't gon' have me stressed. On to the next, guess it's for the best. Yeah, guess it's for the best. On to the next, guess it's for the best. Yeah, guess it's for the best. On to the next, guess it's for the best. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. So today is Sunday, and so yesterday there was a lot of things going on. I tried to vlog as much as I could. So yesterday we just tried to get the internet working. We moved a lot of things. We finished a lot of moving by Friday actually, and then yesterday was the first night that we slept here in our house. So right now we're just doing inventory, going around the house, making sure like there's nothing broken, and if there is, then we just need to make sure that we document that and send it to the owner so they know that it's not, you know, our fault that something was broken, or like if there's like any stains or anything like that. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to bring you guys along with me.
So she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that yeah, who really care what Simon said? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can match that. Louis V scarf for I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa.
pull it. Yeah, there you go.
Guys, there you go. Like that. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's
Is it?
lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Feel how it feels.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.